Hey guys, Isaac here with Big Outdoors. In today's video, we are packing this car full of turkey hunting gear, camping supplies, and delicious food because we are heading over to Eastern Washington to do some awesome public land turkey hunting. We'd love it if you come along for the ride and stay tuned. Alright guys, just finished packing up the car as you guys saw, and we're heading out in the morning, so I'll pick the camera up then. We are heading out.
Hey guys, Adam here. Hey, we made it to camp. Not exactly where we wanted to camp, but nonetheless, we are in the turkey woods, having a great time, enjoying this calm evening. Made some supper, just getting it cleaned up and playing some board games, and a few of us are out scouting around. So just having a great time, and thanks for coming along.
Look at this. A lot of deer tracks. Beautiful little creek right here. Down in this little canyon. He's hiking. Haven't found a turkey yet. Keep looking. Alright. Just made it back to camp. We're getting breakfast cooked up. Got some bacon, eggs, and sausage. Yummy. Didn't hear anything this morning, but we're gonna keep calling, and we're just scouting today, but tomorrow's the opener, so we're gonna see if we can't find a bird for tomorrow. But
big ones out there. There's a nice bearded one right there. Should do a crow call.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys. Guys, excited? Look at that bearded one right there. That's huge. That's a chonkers right there. Those are the two that we saw earlier.
You made it. What do you got? Frog. What's his name?
Toad. Brownie.
Brownie.
Or Toad.
Well, we made it to our final camping destination. Getting the trailer all hooked up and everything. Move spots because we found a different spot, didn't we?
Yeah. And we got a warning sign.
Yep. Last spot we got a warning sign for camping, so we're gonna park, get our camp set up, and then make some dinner. Tomorrow's the opener, 2025 youth opener, April 1st, so we will make dinner and then keep you posted. The next clip you guys are about to see, we couldn't find any turkeys at the first spot, came back, had breakfast, and we drove down the road a little while, came to a house, big field, had a bunch of turkeys on it. Went down there to ask him if we could hunt on his property. He said yes. So the next morning, we went to hunt on his property, and I'll roll some clips.
Two right there.
Big ones?
Huge!
Good morning. We just got ready, just got dressed. We are making some coffee and hot cocoa, and then we are gonna start the cars, and we are gonna head out. 2025 Youth Turkey Opener. It's kind of dark in here. Hopefully you guys can see me, but we are gonna head to the spot. Check it out. I just got two of my first Washington State turkeys. We couldn't get it on video. I had to book it over here to catch it with the group, but I got two in one shot. Knocked them both down.
Tagged out.
Video.
Tagged out one shot.
You want to get one of those?
All I heard is and then
Well, I didn't get it on film completely, but I just ran up on these two, or all these turkeys, but ran up on these ones. I got this one and this one. Very beautiful turkeys. Two with one shot, and I stoned them. Alright guys, I'll give you guys a quick rundown of what happened with my turkeys. I didn't get it on camera, which was a little disappointing, but it's alright. So we were sitting there in the morning, we sat there for about 3 hours, and turkeys were just doing their thing on the other property. A couple of them worked over to us, but we didn't get a shot really. So they started working up a little valley, and I just got up and I said either I'm going to have a chance at them or they're just gonna run away. So I had to book it over there as fast as I could, just me, and I saw a couple hens running up the hill right after the like 5 toms or whatever ran up the hill, and I was like, all right, let me find at least a beard because I had to shoot a male turkey. So I was running and I stopped for a second, and boom, there was a tom standing right on the rock or right on the side of the hill, and I pulled up and there was another tom right next to it. So I was like, okay, cool, I'll get 2. I pulled up and boom, I dumped him. Dumped him with 1 shot, and then I went down to grab the other turkey because he was flopping around. Then he just kept flopping, so I had to finish him off with 1 more shot. But I didn't get it on camera, but that's all right. The other kid named Elias, he was a younger kid. It was actually his birthday when we were hunting, which was really cool. He turned 8, so happy birthday to him. He killed young Jake, which was still cool because it was his first turkey. We ended up killing 3 birds, my 2 toms, and then his Jake. So we had a fun time. Bummer that we didn't get on film, but I'll show you guys my fans pinned out, and my spurs, and my wings, and my beards. So I'll show you that here in a second.
Corn. He was laughing so bad I thought he was gonna die.
Who?
Look at all of them.
My grandpa. The one German.
What was he killed?
Alright guys, we are heading out. We got all packed up. Put the fire out. We had a couple encounters with a bird up there this morning, but we could not seal the deal with him. We are heading out. We are gonna go back home, and there's a beautiful sunrise this morning. But couldn't get a lot on film, but we will see you guys later. Alright guys, we just made it home. Took a few hours, but I got my fans all spread out. Take a nice look at them. Here's the other one. We got unpacked and we are just hanging out. Took a while, like I said, but they're gonna look awesome. Alright, we're gonna see how long these beards are. there. Let's see. I would say, kind of hard to see here. I would say that's 8. Solid 8-inch beard. That's awesome. Okay, let's see this guy. We'll say about there. And we'll say 9. And a solid 9-inch beard. That is awesome. Those are my first 2 Eastern Washington Merriam Turkeys. So this one's a little bent, but just because it's in the bag. Alright, well, I'm going to get these fans pinned down and let them dry. Check it out, guys. We just got the meat all cleaned, and we are getting ready to process and grind up the meat. We have the dark meat, which is some of the leg meat and thigh meat in there, and the white meat, all grinded up, and we are going to make some turkey burgers. They're going to be awesome. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We really hope you enjoyed. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.